Introducing the Super Kilometer Filter Mileage Blocker, the ultimate solution for your Volvo and Polestar vehicles. Designed for DIY installation, our mileage blocker comes with premium quality plugs and heat-resistant cables for maximum durability and reliability. Just a smooth, seamless installation process with our perfectly matched connectors. Control your mileage blocker with the SKF mobile app. Connect your car to your smartphone and enable or disable mileage counting with just a tap. When it's on, your mileage stops at 100%. Turn it off and your mileage counts as usual. All your assistance systems work flawlessly with no error messages displayed on the speedometer or navigation panel. Even diagnostic testers cannot detect any changes made by our mileage blocker. It's undetectable and leaves no trace. Our mileage blocker tool works perfectly on all engine types, including diesel, gasoline, PHEVs, and electric cars. Whether your odometer counts in miles or kilometers, our device ensures accurate performance testing for your vehicle. Visit Super Kilometer Filter today to get the best mileage blocker module with genuine components. Easy to install, simple to use, and reliable. The perfect solution for your Volvo and Polestar cars.